looked at me, I looked at you. Your sleepy heart was shining through wispy cobwebs that were breathing through the power of the heart. I looked at you, you looked at me. I thought of the past, you thought of what could be. I asked you once again to marry me. The power of the heart. The power of the heart. The power of the heart. All around the world just to bring you home. That's the power of your heart. Of your heart. The power of the heart. I think I'm done, and I know you're smart. The beating of a purebred heart. I say this to you, and it's no lark. Marry me today. You know me, I like to dream a lot of what there is and what there's not. But mainly, I dream of you a lot. The power of your heart. The power of your heart. Of your heart.